turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release handle and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. With the help of a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release and remove the negative terminal. When taking off the terminal, ensure to move it far enough away so that it cannot touch the battery connector and risk damaging the electrical network of the vehicle. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the holding spurs for the two biggest cables on the positive terminal. So you don't lose the spur, screw them lightly back into position. Then, with the 10mm socket, remove the positive terminal and extract it from the connector. Using a socket wrench, a big extension and a 13mm socket, remove the holding mechanisms for the battery. Take out the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Put the new battery in place. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. By only using the extension, you will be able to screw the holding plate back in place. Delicately push it back in by lightly pressing on the battery to correctly position it. As usual, start by hand, and for the final turns to tighten the screws, insert a wrench into the extension, block it, and remove the paper towel. Remove the cover on the positive connector. Then start by reattaching the positive terminal. And tighten the spur with a 10mm socket again. Put the two big power cables back on the power connector, screwing them in with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. You can then put the negative terminal back in and tighten it with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Clip the positive connector protection back in place. Operation completed.